Hey everyone, Chip Kosei here with Laws for Life. It is springtime in Louisiana, which means boating season. Louisiana has some of the largest amount of boaters anywhere in the country, and because of that, it also leads the nation, last time I checked, in boating accidents. So what do you need to know about boating season and boating safety? First and foremost, before you take your boat out on the water in the springtime or the summertime, bring it to an authorized dealer. Make sure that your steering is set to 0. Make sure that your jack plate is installed properly for the type of motor you have. I handled a death case recently where a boater, very safe boater, I knew the man personally, took his hands off the wheel for a split second. The boat took an immediate right-hand turn, ejected both passengers. One suffered a head injury. The gentleman that I knew, died. So it's important when you're on a boat, whether you're the operator or an occupant, make sure the operator has certain safety items on the boat. Number one, first and foremost, would be a ship-to-shore radio. That is in case the radio that's on the boat is inoperable. This is a radio that's very cheap to buy, and you can make calls anywhere to the shore to get the Coast Guard to come and assist you. Number two, make sure there's an ample supply of properly operable life vests. Life vests are maybe the biggest thing that saves people, because if you get thrown out of a boat and you're knocked unconscious, you will drown. If you have a safety vest on, chances are you're going to live. The other thing is, and it's one of the things that people overlook the most, make sure the operator has what's called a kill switch. There is a switch on the boat where the operator can put a wristband on, and it's got a coiled cord that goes to a switch, so that if the operator is ejected, that cord pops loose and it kills the engine. Sometimes people get killed not from ejection, but what they call the circle of death, which means if that boat keeps running, it's going to go around in a circle and work its way around, and the motors could, the propeller could impact you, the boat could run you over. You want to avoid the circle of death. Additionally, when you get your boat checked out, there's two types of steering systems that I'm aware, unless there's something new since then. There's what's called a push-push and a push-pull system. Some are hydraulic, some are not. Make sure that if it's a hydraulic system, make sure that your hydraulic fluids, there's no leaking, the fluid level is correct, and make sure that you have the safest. There's one that's safer, I can't remember which, but check it out with your boat dealer to make sure that when you get on the water this year, it's a season of fun and doesn't end in tragedy. I sure hope this video helps, and if you have any further questions, please feel free to email me, chip@koseilaw.com. Thank you.